Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tropical mojito. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients to ensure the best possible flavor for your refreshing drink. We'll then walk through each simple step, from muddling to garnishing, ensuring you can easily recreate this delightful cocktail at home. Get ready to enjoy a taste of the tropics. To begin, you'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 1 lime cut into wedges. For the spirit, grab 2 ounces of white rum. Sweetness comes from 1/2 ounce of simple syrup or 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Finally, choose your favorite tropical fruit, like a 1/4 cup of diced pineapple or mango, for that exotic twist. Start by placing the mint leaves and lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together to release their oils and juice, but avoid over-muddling. Next, add 2 ounces of white rum, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and your chosen tropical fruit. Fill the glass with ice, stir everything thoroughly, then top with about 3 ounces of club soda. For the perfect finish, garnish your tropical mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of your chosen tropical fruit. Serve it immediately to enjoy its crisp, refreshing taste. Feel free to adjust the sweetness or tartness to your personal preference. Don't hesitate to experiment with other tropical fruits like passion fruit or guava for new flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.